A stuck Swagbucks advance limit usually means your account has not met the requirements needed for an increase, or there is an issue preventing the limit from updating. By the end, you'll know what to check when your Swagbucks advance limit does not change, and the steps to fix common account issues. Start by checking your Swagbucks account status and reviewing any requirements connected to the advance feature. Limits can depend on account activity, eligibility, and whether your account information is complete. Make sure your Swagbucks profile details are accurate. Incorrect or incomplete account information can affect access to certain features. Next, check for any pending actions inside the Swagbucks app or website. Some features may not update until account activity has been fully processed. You should also make sure your Swagbucks app is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can cause display problems or prevent new account information from appearing correctly. If your limit appears stuck, log out of your Swagbucks account and sign back in. This can refresh your account session and update information shown in the app. You can also try accessing Swagbucks from another device or browser to check whether the problem is only happening on one device. Avoid repeatedly requesting changes or entering incorrect information, because this can create additional account issues. If the advance limit still does not update, contact Swagbucks support through the official help section. Explain that your advance limit is stuck and include details about your account, device, and any error messages you see. Before contacting support, take screenshots of the issue and note when the problem started. Clear information helps support identify the problem faster. Keep in mind that account limits are not always changed immediately. Updates may depend on Swagbucks account reviews or system processing. The main fixes are simple. Check your account details, update the app, refresh your login, and contact Swagbucks support if the limit remains stuck. Start by opening your Swagbucks account and checking whether your profile and account activity are complete before trying the feature again. Subscribe for more Swagbucks guides, reward app fixes, and account troubleshooting videos. And like the video if this helped you understand why your advance limit is stuck.